It is the only one of its kind. It is the fastest, the steepest, the tallest spinning coaster ever constructed. It has 3 inversions and 2 launches. You put all of that together, and there are a lot of reasons to visit Ozark Mountain Country in 2018. So they absolutely spin. They'll spin in a 360-degree kind of motion one way, then another. So there is absolute spin, but it is in a controlled kind of spin as opposed to whipping along like you would inside of a teacup. I love the theming of the ride, I love the storyline of the ride, but I love the ride experience. Not only is the theming good, not only is the name appropriate for Silver Dollar City, but the ride experience itself is exactly what we hoped. It is exactly what we promised. It is unique. From the moment that the time machine leaves the station and you go through that vertical drop, that spin begins, you know you're on a different kind of coaster.